It's a beautiful Monday. Ngegama nguSimphiwe from kwaSimphiwe Molefe Properties. Ke namhlanje silapha eAmalinda kwenye le development yethu esithengisayo. Just right behind me, I've got a very beautiful house esithengisayo. You know, it's in a development area, so close to all amenities. So bunomdla wethu yabona nto. Ufuna uzobona, ufuna ukuthenga, but masingene manje abangaphakathi uyibone. You know, I think before singene just babone such just a view nakulapha ebhek babone. Aluminum windows zakho sikhona ne-breaker cards for security reasons. Suitable for umuntu oyi-single, suitable also for umuntu a-family, you know. So here you won't be there, as you can see. Like singena apha ngaphakathi ke ngoku masingene nje apha phakathi. Welcome. I think sizaqala amagumbi ingene eqala. This is where we are going to start. Apha ke this is your bathroom yakho. Now let's be in. You can look at in fact, sorry. Net built-ins out. Built-ins, yeah, one of it's very secured. This is your second bathroom. Now you let those ins. Then this is your last bathroom, also with built-ins. For the kitchen area. So, you want to come for viewing, you want to buy, you want to make an offer, whichever way, do call us 043-721-0351. Alternatively, just phone in and images line here to 073-27-12-589 Ghana. Simphiwe from Simphiwe Molefe Properties. Do follow us on all our social media platforms, TikTok Sikona, Instagram Sikona, Facebook Sikona, YouTube Sikona, and other various platforms. Now, we probably been following us, leave us Sikona. Do follow us. Thank you for joining us live viewing. Do comment, share, like. God bless you. We love you.